How to unarchive a story on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily unarchive any story on your Instagram. So let's just jump right in. Open up your Instagram application first. Make sure that you are logged in and then find your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you land on your profile page, you're going to have to find the three horizontal lines at the top right to head over to settings. And then right under how you use Instagram, you'll find the archives. Once you head over to archives, you will be directed to your story archives. So if you don't see it, tap on the drop down at the top and you might have selected your posts or live archives. So in that case, you're going to have to select story archives and you'll get to your story archives. So let's say if I want to share a story from a long time ago, I'm just going to scroll up and find a story. And let's say I select this one right here. What I'm going to do is tap on the more icon at the bottom right and then share this again. So I'm just going to tap on share and I'll be reposting this story. So it will show you the memories option. If you want, you can delete it. And then I'm just going to tap on the story, zoom it in a bit, something like this, and then repost the story just like so. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically unarchive a story on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.